So today we're going to take a look at the Thinkware ARC700 dual channel dash cam. I received this product from Best Buy free of charge for my honest review, and that's what you get. Dash cam offering 4K front, 2K rear recording, designed for high quality footage. Here's a detailed breakdown of its features and performance, video quality and optics. Okay, the front camera is 4K, crisp detail for license plate coverage and wide angle coverage. The rear camera is 2K, so that gives you some rear protection. The lens has a 125-degree wide angle lens, wide visibility. HDR contrast. It's also got a parking and safety features, so when it's hardwired, it has a parking surveillance mode. Detects motions and impacts while parked. Speed camera, red light, traffic signal, and front vehicle departure warnings. This has a GPS built into it, meaning that it at least records where you are. The coordinates for where the video is taking is embedded. As Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi enables phone connectivity to the Thinkware Dashcam Link app. Comes with 64 gig microSD card and supports loop recording with anti-file corruption. So one of the things that I had with my previous dash cam is that eventually the heat got to it and it just went black. Didn't record an image anymore. I'm not sure what went on there. So the thermal protection comes into play for long drives and when you have hot weather. Works well with low light. So we'll have to see and road test this and see what this thing's all about. Unboxing this thing. ARC700 dash cam. Okay, so first things first, the front camera, 4K. I'm not sure how this is positioned. We'll have to see. I gather this piece, the lens rotates. Yeah, the lens rotates, so this will go on there like this, and you'll rotate this. So that's the front dash cam. Pretty compact, plastic, buttons on the front of it. So you have a record button, power, Wi-Fi format, and microphone. So that's one piece of it. Okay, this is the cord. So this is a pretty heavy-duty cord, or at least the connection between the front and rear dash cam. So we'll see what goes on there. Plate with adhesive, usually the 3M adhesive. Here is the power jack for a cigarette lighter. This may be the route I go with installing this rather than hardwiring it. We'll see. Hardwire kit. So I'm going to take this out. Which we'll see how complicated this is to see if I can do this myself. I think that shouldn't be a big deal, but this is the rear camera. Pretty compact. And we'll see, again, adhesive tape, quick start guide, some QR codes. Also give you a tool to help with the wiring so you can get it under molding and whatnot. This helps a lot. Install this over the next few days in my car. Really can't see it from behind the rearview mirror, at least from my side, so that is cool. The Wi-Fi, a GPS, and a cord. So now I just have to snake the wires. My thoughts on the Thinkware ARC700 dash cam. This is two cameras that are wired. Has to be either powered by a old-fashioned cigarette lighter, old-fashioned, yeah, that old style power, or have it hardwired into your system. This dash cam, I like it because it lays flat on your windshield. It has such a wide field of view that when you mount it, you don't have to worry about where it's pointed for the forward vision. It's also, that camera is 4K HDR, and it's actually pretty good video. Rear camera, it's wired. It took a little while to install. You're comfortable installing it. The ARC700 Thinkware dash cam is a good solution for you. One of the things I like and that I like about this dash cam as opposed to dash cams I've had in the past is that in the summer, if you're using a sun visor, hitting the camera with the sun visor and knocking the camera out of whack. That's a problem with some of these that pivot on a ball. So again, what's good about this is it lies flat against the windshield and you just vertically adjust the camera angle. It has GPS in it, so it'll tell you your position. Decent features. Not the most in-depth menu system or configuration system. The mobile app is pretty good. It takes a mini SD card which you throw in there so you have onboard recording of the video. The app, you're able to do a live view. You're able to download video, which your results may vary with that. It does connect directly to the dash cam via Wi-Fi, and you can pull down video that way. A lot of good things about the Thinkware ARC700 dash cam. So if you're in the market for a dash cam, I do recommend this one. It's pretty good. I do like it. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you get notified when I post new content. Really appreciate it.